The 10th of January, when we received the genetic sequence from the Chinese authority, we immediately designed a vaccine and immediately started manufacturing it and running tests on it in the laboratory.
So I understand that from the genetic sequences to a model for the vaccine, you went through this in what, 3 hours?
So yeah, all we need is that genetic code. So it's just a series of A's and T's and C's and G's that make up the blueprint to the virus. We use a computer algorithm to generate the design of the vaccine. So we plugged in the viral sequence, and after 3 hours we had a fully designed vaccine on paper. Downloaded the sequences from the Chinese government. We put it into our proprietary algorithm that generates the vaccines, and in 2 hours we had the vaccine already designed, and it went straight into manufacture.
So they downloaded the code for the vaccine from the Chinese government, from a Chinese website. Would you download anything from a Chinese website?
To be grateful here that the Chinese posted the genetic code, because it was from that you were able to start working on it, understanding what was actually happening here.
Yeah, absolutely. And I have to thank the Chinese authorities, because without that we really couldn't have done anything. So because we use a DNA medicine vaccine, as soon as we received...
And they got the code from a Chinese website. Now the Chinese say they can't isolate the virus.
Why has the data not been shared?
No, they didn't isolate the virus. That's the issue.
What about live animal samples?
It doesn't tell you anything if they only test positive. I do not suspect it's coming from what we originally thought.